All right, so last we're doing Encyclopedia Britannica. All right, so you're on the Media Center webpage. Click Online Resources. Just in case you haven't noticed already, username, password. It might ask you to log in, especially if you're on at home. Click Encyclopedia, and you have your only option, Encyclopedia Britannica. All right, and you're brought to the home page, and then you just type in your search terms. Now remember, you're using Encyclopedia Britannica to enhance your background knowledge. You're not going to find any analysis or any complex topics on here. So this would be treat it just like you would treat Wikipedia, except it's probably a better version of Wikipedia and a little less dense. So here, make sure you're on reading level 3. You're in a high school. This is a middle school level. This is elementary school level. You won't find nearly enough information on either of these two. Click what you would like to read about, and then here you go. All right, if you would like to cite the article, then you click Cite, and your MLA citation, it's usually automatically set to MLA. All right, it's right there. You can just copy and paste it into your works cited, and it's as easy as that.